It is a beautiful Wednesday.
Wednesday.
And we are heading to Salt Lake
City, Utah.
Yeah.
So 9 hours and 3 minutes right now is telling us that we're on our way.
Unusual traffic.
Yes.
So one of the beautiful things, though, is when you get past Reno in Nevada, the speed limit is, what, 80 miles an hour?
Yeah, I think so.
All the way.
And believe me, we're going to take advantage of that.
We definitely are. So, you know, maybe Google already knows that, but maybe we'll make a little time up, but we'll find out.
That's it. So time to put on the glasses, take a drive.
Let's go. Reno in some good time.
Good time. And we're ready for a good time.
Ready for some, a little bit of sushi.
All you can eat sushi, menu item number 9.
She's ducking. Yes. Quail egg shooter. Woo. Got it. My mouth's a little hot though. So what time does your phone say we'll be there?
Now it's 9:40.
9:40. How can it say 9:40?
Well,
it was like 8 o'clock a few minutes ago. It said we were going to arrive.
The problem was we just stopped for a quick bite of all you can eat sushi.
We were there like how long?
We were
10
there,
minutes?
no, an hour and a half.
Ooh.
And okay, so what did you have?
So all I had was 4 orders of nigiri and 3 rolls. And a quail egg shooter. And 1 scoop of green tea ice cream. That's it.
And 2 iced teas.
And 2 iced teas.
And pot stickers.
Oh, that's right. And a half a bowl of edamame. So really not that much. And it only took an hour and a half, but now we're going to be there at almost 10 o'clock. Whew. I see another stop coming very soon, too.
Hey, we are on our way to Salt Lake City, driving through the beautiful Nevada desert. And you know, I'm pretty excited.
I am too. You know, it's kind of funny, and people asked us, when we told them what we were doing, they looked at us like, but you guys teach photography. And why did they look that way at us? Because what are we doing?
We're going to a class. Why does it sound like we're driving on a rumble strip? You notice
I have
that?
no clue. The road changed, but man, we're getting to go take a class from one of our favorite photographers. And yes, we do take classes. Why? Because we believe it or not, we don't know everything.
So you know what's interesting?
What's interesting?
Just about us taking classes, that I think we've kind of hit this point. We were talking about this the other day. Like, we hit the point where, dude, this sounds weird. Like, we know it all. No, but you know, we've taught up to our level.
To what we know,
right?
Yeah, and we know there's so much more.
There's always so much more, and we both love learning. We spend a lot of time reading and watching stuff, but there's just something about going to an actual class with somebody else that is an expert in the field.
So who are we going to go see?
I don't know. Who is it now?
We've not told them who we're going to see.
That's right. We are going to go see Scott Robert Lee.
Yes. Now, Scott, if you don't know who he is an amazing wedding photographer, portrait photographer, fashion photographer,
and
a Sony professional.
And just a really good guy.
Yes, a nice guy. We've met him a couple times at WPPI.
He's not one of those like flashy photographers that, you know, like, hey, I know it all, let me show you what I know. He just is just down to earth dude that is so good.
What I like about Scott and his teaching style and his shooting style, it's very simplistic. He's not a guy that's like, I shoot natural light. He uses lots of flash and lights and all kinds of things, but he does it in such a way that you go, I can do that.
Yep.
And then you also go, how come I can't do that? So that's why we're going to see him.
Yeah.
Because he does things that we go, I wish I could shoot like Scott.
Look at that. You could buy 3 acres of land for $3,000 right there.
$1,000 an acre outside of Winnemucca. Wow. And it's the green part.
It is.
Middle of summer and it's green.
It is.
Cruising at 75 miles an hour. About you, but I really intended on, we were going to create a very dynamic vlog on our way to Salt Lake City.
It's been dynamic so far, hasn't it?
Wow. It is 5:30. We left 7.5 hours ago. You know, no offense to Northern Nevada, but you know, the scenery does not change much in that 5.5 hours.
But I will say this.
What's that?
It looks better than it seems to look anytime I've been through here before.
It is very green this time for June.
Very odd, actually.
A lot of water places.
But with that being said, there's not a lot to talk about out here.
Yeah, I'm not really inspired.
You know, usually when we're on these trips, we have a tradition.
Yeah, we've actually been on the road for 8.5 hours, and we have not eaten anything.
Other than sushi.
That's right.
We had a
lots of sushi.
Sushi break. But
no McDonald's.
No, we always have like an Egg McMuffin to start off our trip.
Yes. But
we
can't say that we missed McDonald's altogether because 99-cent large drinks.
That's right, iced tea. But no McDonald's to eat. We just are drinking. We went out to the beverage center at McDonald's.
That's right. Keep thirsty, America. Or England, or India, or wherever you are, Germany. Isn't it crazy how, I feel like I'm on a runway.
It is. It's almost kind of scary in a way, like, I don't know where.
Yeah,
I still can't tell, are we on a road?
No, you're just on where everybody drives and breaks the records. We are doing 172 miles an hour right now. 174. 180.
I guess it's getting really soft.
Check out how crazy this light is. It's like 9:30 at night. And we're out on the Bonneville Salt Flats. And we've had this light for at least a half hour now. And it's just getting better. Can you see how epic that is? I almost want to do another live.